What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I got a little bit of a bonus video. You guys can probably figure out where I'm at. Look at that flag back there, ain't it beautiful? So I am here at Copart, and I have a featured vehicle to show you guys today. Just a bonus video vehicle for y'all, and y'all will know some of the stuff that'll be coming this week. That's right. You know, when we're out on the West Coast that the vehicles pick up a little bit different, and we got this Bentley convertible here. Gotta love the Copart written right on the hood. She is a little dusty. Now I am wondering, I'm waiting to see the damage. I see the suspension is hammered down, the convertible top is stuck. I'm really shocked that somebody like Royalty Exotics or somebody hasn't picked this up. Look at this, man. This is ridiculous. Super clean, but you can see, like I said, the suspension is completely hammered on this one. So I'm wondering if it's like a flood. What's the loss type? It's unknown loss type. Okay. It does have a key, but she is dead as a doornail. The seats are a little tore up. Now this is a 13 Continental. Very interesting. Which is basically, you know, if you didn't know, these are just Audis. A lot of people don't know that these cars, you know, really sit on an Audi, Audi powertrain. Let's see if we take a look under the hood. Love the craftsmanship of Bentley, though, even though that's kind of a little sloppy. I'm wondering if somebody got this before at an auction and just didn't take care of it. Got the 4.0 liter V8, so it's not a V12. 4.0 liter V8. So this is the same motor that you would see in, well, not the exact same motor, but a very similar motor to what you would see in like an Audi A8L or an Audi S8, Audi A7 with the 4.0. She doesn't look bad. But it's just little maintenance things like this where you can see the shocks are not holding the hood up, the doors coming apart. Okay, now I see the damage. Now I can see a little bit of why it's here. You can see some of that damage down there on the bottom. Ouch. That sucks. But I mean, that's probably the cheapest thing to replace, right? Is the plastic front fascia. I'm sure you could, because it looks like it's a separated piece at the bottom. It's not the whole thing. It's literally just the bottom, just that bottom piece. So you probably could just replace that, figure out what's going on with the air suspension, get it running. But who knows? It doesn't have a loss type. The top is down. She's dirty, dusty, and the interior is just disgusting. So, not knowing those things, this is just not it for me, man. Not at all. But let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. I got lots of work to do today. I'm gonna get these videos in, but yeah, tap in with me in the comment section. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. I got a lot of Lamborghinis, a lot of just a couple McLarens out here, and there's a McLaren we're gonna take out for the day. You guys will get to see that too. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section right down here below on this Bentley. I actually like the color. It's kind of cool.